Good night. Bye-bye.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Bro, where you at? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up? What's going on?
I don't know.
Alright. You're recording. Bro, this is the drive-through window. Come on, we gotta order.
No!
What?
We just have to walk through the doors like a normal human being would.
Oh my God, I don't like being normal.
Ah, this is a receipt.
Oh yeah, DQ burger, huh, bro?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, we didn't do an intro on your video. Why don't you just skip the intro?
Do it.
And in 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a family of the Dog Pound, and we're en route to 5K. And today, we're at Dairy Queen.
DQ.
Yeah.
So you got a burger, and then you also got a pepper,
Like peppermint hot cocoa
Right.
blizzard,
right? And
a vanilla cone.
vanilla cone. Woof. We said hold the ice cream, let us eat the burgers first, huh? And they really soaked on the mustard, huh?
Is it really me, or is there lots of more mustard?
A lot of mustard.
There's less ketchup than mustard.
DQ loves mustard. So how is it? How is your first DQ burger?
It's bussin', but they put too much butter. I mean,
Butter?
mustard in it.
You put too much mustard in it? Yeah, the mustard is really soaking, huh? What's on your Christmas list this year for 2024?
I don't really have that much of a list yet, but I do have like 2 things.
What?
I want like a $50 MetaQuest gift card and like a drum set.
A drum set?
Not like a baby kid's one, like an actual drum set.
Like a real drum set?
Yeah.
Did you go tell Santa this? Santa's a rocker. He likes to rock. You ever hear Jingle Bells Rock?
Yeah.
Yeah. Merry Christmas Rock. Here Comes Santa Claus Rock.
Every Christmas song doesn't have to end with rock.
Yeah, they all rock, bro. They all rock. Silent Night Rock.
Bruh.
'Twas the Night Before Christmas Rock.
That isn't even the song.
Oh yeah. Oh, did I do that? No, the table shook. Yeah, Daddy Dog doesn't.
And it's tipping over.
Oh, look at that.
It's like crushed up.
Oh yeah.
It's crushed up. It's a crushed up candy
Close up
cane.
of this. Let me get a close up.
Let's see.
Oh, is it? Kris Kringle made that.
Santa?
Yeah, and he put his elves put sprinkles on that. Look, it looks like crushed up candy canes.
It is crushed up candy.
That's what it looks like. Thank God that it is, because that's exactly what it looks like. Oh, and an ice cream cone. Oh yeah, look at that. What was that?
You know why they call those nuts?
Why they call these nuts? I do, but I want to hear why you think so.
It's because
Because they have pea in them?
no.
Peanuts?
It's because that it's short for nutrients.
So I got a peanut butter parfait with nutrients in it.
Yeah.
Go check to see where this boy went. You send him to go to the bathroom, and usually he's back real fast. I don't know where he's at. What? Boy, what you doing? What you doing?
drink this.
It's not a water fountain. My God, I can't. You're supposed to be going to the bathroom.
So make sure to like and subscribe to both of my channels. And today we went to Dairy Queen.
Woo!
And we talked about stuff.
Whole bunch of stuff. Oh my God, it's a windstorm out here. Hurry up, end this video, B-Dawg.
So make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. And DQ talk about stuff.
I'm melting.
No, you're not. You're not made of candy.